Hi friends, welcome back to my channel for another Pretty Pink Co mystery kit reveal. Today we have the August Ultimate Bundle and I can't wait to open this because y'all, I don't remember what's inside of here. It's been so long. So it is going to be like looking at this for the first time. So let's go ahead and dive in. But first I just want to say hello. Welcome back to all of you who have been here and been a faithful follower for a while. I appreciate all of you. If you're new and this is the first time that you're clicking on one of my videos, hi guys, my name is Cassie and I'm so glad you're here. So yeah, let's just go ahead and dive in, guys. This is the envelope that these come in. It is a really pretty, I always keep all these because I feel like you can totally reuse these. You can even rip them and put them in like a journal. And you always get a little wax seal too. I save those as well. Oh yeah, this is a really pretty one. I forgot about this one. I remember now a little bit. I remember it's rainy, right? Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so good. Okay. So excited about this. And I did not do this on purpose, but my nails completely match this. I just got these done today and look, the blue with the rose gold. Yeah. Or the blue, I mean the brown with the rose gold. Okay. That's fun. I feel like I should like do a plan with me or something with my nails with this kit because I could not have like matched it more perfect if I tried. Okay, come on. You can do it. You guys, she packs these so full that like I struggle to get the pages out. You can see the struggle here. Okay. Come on, you can do it. Okay, let's look at this weekly first and then we'll look at the decorative. But oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay. There's so many things in here too. All right, let's move this over. Okay, obviously we have rose gold because I already talked about rose gold foil. I am obsessed with this. Like, do we see this box? The coziness in here with the plaid and the candles. And then you've got like the rain coming down the window. Oh, it's so good. And I've never seen rain in a kit like this, like foiled. So pretty. And then over here, we've got like a little collage with film strips, some boots, the like puddle. You've got the plaid in the background, some like vintage text. So good. Even the floral boxes, like this one has the plaid. This one has like the text and watercolor with it. And then you've got this beautiful nighttime scene with like the foiled birds, foiled tree, and those buildings just lit up. The quote box says, "Autumn magic is the sound of rain and rustling of falling leaves." Oh, so true. So true. Okay, and then you got this other night scene. Mahek does so good with these kind of like night scenes in her kits, especially the rainy ones. Oh, I just love this. And then you've got like a porch scene where you're sitting out there watching the rain. And then another one of those beautiful collage ones with some plaid and text and a ripped Polaroid and florals. Like, it's just perfection. I'm only at the front page here, you guys, and this is already like, I'm obsessed. Okay. So that is our boxes page. So good. Here, well, our full boxes, I guess I should say. This is our like functional boxes. So you've got all these beautiful colors to bring in from the kit here. Like, look at how good that's going to be together. So you got some watercolor boxes, some more functional boxes that are whited out in the middle, a little bit of rose gold foiling sprinkled on here, not a ton. And then page 3, this has a lot more of the watercolor and a film strip that is cut out in the middle so you can make a scene or like weave things in and out. You've got some torn papers here and then the torn edges, and then you've got some deco. Look at, it's a Twinings tea box. Shut the front door. I did not see that before. Twinings is like one of my favorite teas. I love Twinings Lady Grey. It's my favorite of all time. And I've been trying to find it in a loose leaf, and you can get it in loose leaf, but you can't get the decaf in loose leaf. So I'm a little sad. I need to figure that out. I can't do a lot of caffeine. Okay, here is our bottom washi. You've got the beautiful florals with the trace foiling with the rose gold, some raindrops on here with like that kind of tan background. And then you've got some headers with that beautiful like drizzle pattern. And then just straight lines and your dates, or days, not dates, I'm sorry, days of the week. Okay, and then we have these florals, which are just dreamy, and the camera is not doing them justice. It's kind of like a purpley color here, but like not overly purple, with some blue and some browns and ivories. And the green is kind of like a muted green that's almost like a green blue. It's stunning. I am so obsessed with this collection. Okay, and then we have a train because, you know, why not make it even more fun? Okay, books, an umbrella, the little kitty in the window. Love the street lamps. Just everything is just so good. It's so good. Here's our floral washi strips. This is the deco page if I didn't say that, sorry. And then we have our journal deco, which we've got another one of the tea boxes. I'm obsessed. This has more of like our functional journaling with some boxes and watercolor swatches, torn edges. So pretty. Days of the week. Oh my gosh, look at that. How fun is that? She's drawing a heart in the little misty window from the rain. And then you got this night rainy scene with like all the houses, big florals. Ooh, love those. And then look at this. That little scene, and it's like these kind of like alcohol inks with the scene inside of them. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, here is our alcohol ink. These are on transparent, and you do get all kinds of different shades and shapes and sizes. I guess not shapes, I mean kind of, but they're all round. So I don't know about different shapes, but that's all of those ones. And then we do a few little smaller sheets. So this is our terrible washi pattern. It is the gorgeous plaid. So this being on washi paper, you can tear this into whatever shape you want. You could just lay the whole thing down if you wanted, but you can tear that up or cut it. And then we got 2 foil samplers. Is this a bonus? This is a bonus. This is on washi too. Oh my gosh, wait, this is just like one big sheet, isn't it? Oh, it is. This is another terrible washi, you guys. But it's a terrible foiled washi. And when I say terrible, I mean you can rip it. Like, you see. Terrible washi. This is another one. Oh my gosh. That is stunning. I want like extras of these and all the foil colors, please. This is the regular foil sampler. So we've got some more of like that drizzly kind of look, some more rain stuff, nature things. So good. The umbrellas. Look at the little pigeon. That's so cute. And then this is our sidebar. This is on washi as well now, so you could totally rip this if you wanted to. It's just like a kind of moody watercolor with some vintage text. So that's all in the weekly, you guys. If you don't get the ultimate bundle, you can sign up just to get the weekly or the decorative, which I'm going to go through next. But this is all in the weekly. It's so much stuff. So much. Such a good bang for your buck. Okay, let's go through the decorative and ooh and ah over more of this goodness. Do I have 2 pages here? I do. I totally have 2 pages. Okay, let's do this. All right, page 1 is our bouquets. So we've got some good sized bouquets here. You can really see those colors, I feel like, a lot better. I don't know if the camera's picking them up. Hopefully it's picking them up as good as they are. And then this is our collages. Like, look how beautiful that is. Where raindrops meet fallen leaves. Love the word. You could even cut these if you wanted to like arrange them differently. Get the plaid tape. And then that train with like, oh, you can see the city in the background now. And then she must have like layered that. That's really cool. And then you've got like the little stamps. And we have deco. Look at that rain cloud. And this girl. So beautiful. Ooh, look at her with her braid and her like hair. It's kind of wispy. That's so pretty. Oh, and the little raindrops here too. Just everything is just so good. Classy ladies in the rain. And our floral corners, which I will say every video, but floral corners are some of my faves. I just love the way they look in a journal, like up in the corner of a page. It just makes such a beautiful pop in your spread. And then these are our scenes. So we've got more dark, moody night scenes. You can totally add your own foil if you want. Like, look how beautiful that is. It's like glowing, even without foil. This one too, just captured so well. That's really cool with like the shadow, the reflection in the puddle. Then we have our swatches. So these are kind of like alcohol ink or different shapes that have some florals or deco or texture kind of added in there. And this one's kind of like a layered little scene here with some florals. Oh, we have another one with a little heart. I love that with the Polaroid. That's so cute. And then look at this film strip. Look at the girl with like the background. Oh my gosh. This is just so stunning. The little cinnamon buns and the latte. Walking in the park with the lights on. It's like, you know, fall and it gets dark at like 5 o'clock now. It's kind of like what it would look like. So pretty. Our torn paper strips. Different, we got the florals, but different backgrounds. It's so funny how the different colors look so different when you have just a different background in there. How many times am I going to say different? Sorry, guys. And then we've got some text writing in these ones. We have floral washi, so your nice big floral strips. These are really thick. And then you've got your little piecier florals, like some kind of smaller bouquets and stuff in the middle. And then washi swatches, 3 of the different colors here, 3 different widths. You can always rip these or tear them into different ones if you get it on washi paper. I think you can also get this on transparent. I think Pretty Pinko still carries transparent or premium, so you can choose your paper type. I'm just a fan of washi always. This is our days and dates. You get 2 months worth of dates and I think 5 weeks. Let's see. Saturday, Sunday, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 weeks of days. I don't know why that was so hard. It's because they're like not in order up and down. They probably didn't fit that way, but it messes with my brain. Okay, these are our large scenes, which these are different than any of the other scenes we have, I feel like. Well, this one is like zoomed in of this. This one I don't feel like we had. It kind of feels like a different view of this because it's got like the wrought iron porch. And then this one we totally didn't have. It's like a little tram. Is that what you would call that? A little train tram going through there. And look at the pretty autumn florals in this. Ugh, it is just so good. So, so good. Okay, and then this is our terrible washi. I think, is this the same as this one this time? Oh, it's not the same as the big one, but it's kind of the same as the sidebar, just slightly different. So if you got both, if you did the ultimate bundle, that's kind of nice because you can layer that in. And then the foiled add-on is different than this foiled add-on, which I always love that she does this. So that you can kind of mix and match if you get both, depending on what you're using and when. Like you have basically like a giant foil sheet to use between the 2 of them. So it's really cool. This one, you got some stamps, more of the fun rain. This really pretty girl with her cute little bob haircut. So fun. Okay, so that is everything for the decorative. And obviously we already went through the weekly. Let's just pull this one back out again so you can see these gorgeous boxes again, because you guys, look at this. This is so good. Oh, okay, I need to get through all these videos so I can like plan. I know I could just stop and plan. I know I'm an adult and I can make that decision. But this is how I need to do things. Plus we're packing to leave for the mountains tomorrow. So like I can't really get planning stuff out tonight. I'm just gonna video tonight and then I can edit on the car ride because it's like a 4-hour drive. So anyway, okay, that's everything, you guys. I'm so excited about this collection. Let me know, did you get this one? If not, I'm really sorry for you. You could always message her and see if she has extras. But let me know if you got this or if there's like another Moody rain kit that maybe I missed in the community because I am here for these collections. But yeah, that's everything. If you guys liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I also just realized I did this out of order again. I am on the Pretty Pinko's PR team. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so rusty. And I don't want to stop and film this again. So just bear with me. I am on the Pretty Pinko's PR team. My code is Cassie15, and you can put my name in the notes to seller for my freebie. It does come in either rose gold or silver. I think those are the 2 colors I chose, like random pull. Here's my freebie. So if you want to save 15%, you can't save on the mysteries, but you can save on anything else in the shop. So, all right, that is really it this time. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, if you're new here and you haven't done that yet, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, thanks so much. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.